Hello everyone, it's Adriana from Living Healthy with Chocolate. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy and buttery avocado chocolate mousse in chocolate cups. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this recipe. This avocado chocolate mousse I absolutely love. The chocolate dominates the taste while the avocados give the mousse a light and creamy texture that melts in your mouth. Not to mention that avocados are one of the healthiest sources of fat while also being very low in carbs. We're gonna start by making our chocolate cups, which is very easy and gives a beautiful presentation to the mousse. First, let's melt our chocolate slowly in a bowl over simmering water. I'm using a high quality 70% dark chocolate that is free of soy and dairy. You guys don't have to temper your chocolate, but I'm gonna do it so that my chocolate cups don't melt at room temperature. It's very warm where I live. And I'm gonna quickly show you how, but you can skip this step and just refrigerate your chocolate cups. If you guys want me to make a more detailed video on how to temper chocolate, let me know in the comments below. So here I'm melting about half of my chocolate and I'm gonna bring it to 120 degrees F. Then once this temperature is reached, I remove my bowl from the heat. Make sure to dry your bowl so no water gets in the chocolate. And then I slowly add my other half of chocolate little by little and stirring well until the temperature drops to 90 degrees F. This is just one quick method of tempering chocolate. Now to make our chocolate cups, I'm using these mini silicone cupcake molds. You can also use these paper cups and I'm gonna show you how. So add some chocolate into the mold and rotate it until you coat the bottom and edges. Add enough chocolate in the cups so it's easier to coat the edges, and you can let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Oh, I forgot to mention a good tip that if you're not tempering your chocolate, let it cool a little just so it thickens, and when you fill your mold, you'll have a thicker layer of chocolate and it just makes it much easier to unmold later. This recipe makes about 23 to 25 chocolate cups, and this is such a great time to get the kids and the family involved. You can see here that the paper cups are not as sturdy, but they work great. Let them chill and harden in the fridge, and let's make our avocado chocolate mousse. But first, can I just tell you a little about the amazing health benefits of avocados? Like I said, they are high in healthy anti-inflammatory fats and very low in carbs. They also have double the potassium of bananas. They're loaded with magnesium, vitamin C, K, vitamin E, vitamin A, and B5. So with avocados and dark chocolate, we're making a dessert packed with nutrients. Okay, so to make the avocado chocolate mousse, we need a food processor or a blender. Add raw cacao powder, cacao butter, which is the fat extracted from cocoa beans and used to make chocolate. Usually the higher the cacao butter content in chocolate, the less sugar it contains and the higher the quality. So for example, a 70% dark chocolate has less sugar and a higher cacao butter content than say milk chocolate. Next, add vanilla extract, your sweetener of choice. I'm using raw honey, and the avocado. Process for a few seconds to combine the ingredients and scrape the sides of your bowl if you need to. Check out this creamy mousse texture we get. For the final step, we'll fill our chocolate cups with the mousse. I'm using a piping bag with a 1mm star tip, and you can also just scoop the mousse into each cup. Gently remove the chocolate cups from the mold. See how easy? They pop right out. Look, even removing it from the paper cups is easy as long as you added a thick layer of chocolate to each one. Fill each one with the mousse, and you can store them in the fridge until you're ready to serve. You're gonna impress your friends and family when you serve this avocado chocolate mousse in chocolate cups, and you don't even need to tell anybody that there's avocado in the mousse. So give it a try, and guys, if you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here with me and for watching until the end. Love you guys, and I'll see you next week.